They're putting this wood fencing here, look folks. Get tarmac stuff down, ready for the car park. Hi, morning folks, welcome back to the channel. On this beautiful sunny day. It's only about 14 degrees, but the sun feels really nice and warm. There's hardly any wind. My vlog off today. I'm on Chapel Street. You've got Donna's Dream House there behind me, that yellow building. Fantastic charity. I thought I'd come and have another look at how they're getting on at the Bonny Street demolition with the old police station, etc. I've just been down here recently. I thought, well, I'm in the area and just have a see how they're getting on, and have a trip up to Charles Street as well, because I heard they're starting to demolish there. I might put that on the separate video. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, turn the camera around, see what you can find. This is back at the King Edward pub here, and these are the back end of the King Edward Apartments, which I featured on the video not so long ago. So they've all been tidied up at the back here, as you can see. So many smashed windows though, it's a shame. I think they're finished here anyway now. Walk down to the other demolition area. So folks, here we are at the site. This is on Chapel Street. Looks like they're loading up. More excavators there. See all the black fences come down. This is Fox Brothers. Sorry about the noise. Sounds like a strimmer going here. They're taking all the hardcore away. Oh, look at this, folks. Just replaced with Harris fencing now. There's a few little bits to go. There's a bobcat, bless her. Wow. They're putting this wood fencing here, look folks. Sorry I got to shout over the noise, it's very noisy here. Stop the cars parking on here obviously. So we're going to take this fencing away completely. Stop the gypsies getting on here, and the travellers. Well, looks like it might be putting tarmac down there, look. Well, it looks like they're taking their trees out. Look, trees are all gone. The guy there's just trimming the rest of it. Wow, it's like a little bit of garden, isn't it? They've got good food from here, folks. As you can see, they're putting the shale down already for the tarmac. Because of course there's going to be another car park. You park a few hundred cars in there, wouldn't you? Hopefully it'll be just a temporary car park for now, before they can actually build something on it. That'll be great. I would say the tree is still there. One of it is. See, it started putting that tarmac stuff down, ready for a car park. Wow. Look at that. Hey look, they got a crane there. DSM are starting to get ready to ship out. There's like one of the cabins there is about to go. There's one there, look. All DSM's equipment. Another green lorry over there. Wow. The end of an era, really. They've been here since January when they started demolishing police station Blackpool, police station magistrates courts. That looked like a kind of control box of some sort. Getting the chains on there ready to lift it onto the wagon. So they've only got now two diggers left now. There's one that look at that green one, folks. That's got one of these pounding things on the end of it that pound the ground with it. That's cool, isn't it? Look at that. Let's see that in action. We'll give the little blue one first. Oh, see what's in there now. It's a generator in that black box there. Just have a quick look up here. I was only just down here a few days ago. You see my vlog on my channel. They told me about 3 weeks. I reckon more like 3 days at this rate. There again, it'll take a bit longer to do that car park first. I reckon now most of this machine will be shipped out in the next 2 days. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? Really. Look at those bags are. I can zoom in on you. Trying to get over there a bit closer in a minute, folks. I don't know what those bags are for. Still got the rock cruncher machine here, that'll be going soon, I reckon. Terex Finley. Well, gonna miss the crew from DSM. They've been ever so friendly for the YouTubers in general. They really have been, you know. He's got a roller there, look, and he's rolling that. You thought that'd be hot ash felt, wouldn't you? Really? Maybe that's what they're gonna put on top of it. I don't know. You see the roller there, look. There we go. We've got some machinery here in this car park here, folks. So that onto the low loader there, folks, look. Ready to be taken away. This is scene, folks. This is what you call YouTubers Bridge. Many times I've stood up there with fellow YouTubers filming the demolition. Wow. Amazing, really. They're certainly starting to lay the floor, aren't they? Or the road, whatever you call it. The car park. But we never need another car park, I don't know. This is the main gate here. There was the main gate, folks. Taking the main fence, main black fencing away there, you can see there. As I showed you earlier, putting in the fencing, stop the cars illegally parking on here, which they would do, especially on fire at night. I wonder why they left that little bit of land there, I wonder. Strange, very strange. Here's a quick overall view, folks, where the police station stood there, and the magistrates' courts, etc. Wow, amazing, really. And the road is still closed, Bonny Street. It's supposed to be open in the middle of August. Wow. Looking down Bonny Street now, folks. No idea why this isn't open yet, this road. Still got the Harris fencing and the blue netting on. Oh dear. Vast area though, isn't it? They can sure park a few hundred cars on here. My God. Alright, but Bonny Street Market area again. Covered this on the last video, so I won't dwell on this too much. There is talk of the market coming back next season, so we'll wait and see. There's even talk about the market being extended. That again we shall see on that one. Good tower for your tower fans. Coral Island. There we go. Anyway, folks, I'm going to leave this one here, I think, from Bonny Street police station demolition. Well, that's gone. Can't really call it now, can I? I'll find something else to call it. DSM are moving out. I don't know. I think of a title. Go down to Charles Street now and see what's going on down there, and find out what's how the demolition's going on there. As I said earlier, I've heard that they've started pulling their houses down already, so keen eye on that for one, folks. And from Bonny Street, I will see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the notification bell, a little more videos, obviously. tell your friends, and thanks to all the new subscribers that come aboard. Getting on for nearly 2,000 now. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next one, folks. Bye bye.